total problem in this country. Then someone comes to tell you that you should follow UDA. What has UDA done in Yateke from last year? 1 year is gone, my friend. We have only 2 years of work. The third one, we are setting the campaign from now. The fourth year, we are setting campaigns. When will they deliver services? So this issue of allowing propaganda and allowing someone, one individual, because of his selfish interest, to come and mislead our people, let us stop it. Let me tell you, without Raila Amolo Odinga, today, I know Ruto's character very well. I have served with him in parliament. I knew him. The person who can scare Ruto a bit is Raila Odinga. The person who can bring Ruto to order is Raila Odinga. Nobody else. Let nobody cheat you. I have no capacity. Let us support ODM as a political party. That is the party which stands for social democracy. Now look, on university education. University education has been affordable in this country. More affordable than even high school education. Today, because of Kenya Kwanza government and mismanagement and lack of interest, the welfare of wananchi, university education has become unaffordable, and only people who can afford will now acquire education.